Mike Hoy. I've been playing hockey for about 16 years. Started skating when I was 3. Favorite team would be the Detroit Red Wings, and my favorite player would be Nicklas Lidstrom. I got started playing hockey through my older brother. He was the first one to get involved with the sport, and I just loved watching him out there, and so I took after him. Most memorable game would probably be winning state championship through youth hockey. Favorite part of the game would be just getting out there and playing and being a part of the squad, having the camaraderie with everyone.